Today I reach 900 videos. When I started this journey, I did not think about numbers. I only wanted to share ideas, stories, poems, and lessons with people who love learning and imagination. Step by step, video by video, this channel has grown into a small world of its own. Every view, every comment, and every bit of encouragement from you has helped me continue. I would like to say a heartfelt thank you to everyone who watched, supported, and believed in this journey. Now we move forward together toward the next milestone. 900 videos today, 1000 videos tomorrow. The journey continues. Thank you very much.